Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I got up this morning, got on internet and discovered something super exciting on the Toyota webpage, and it's not this base model of Corolla hatchback. It's actually this one, Corolla hatchback GR. I never saw this model before. It's big news apparently, and this is not just the same hatchback we saw with bunch of spoilers on it. This is completely different model. Again, you can see it here from the back, but not just spoilers on it. This will be completely different beast with different parameters on it, and it's a part of this GR family. On the right, GR Supra, on the left, GR86, and in center, GR Corolla. Completely different monster, if I could say. These two vehicles are the ones not practical for daily life. This four-door hatchback completely practical. And what do you see it here in the specs? With the 300 horsepower four-wheel drive system. This is absolutely unbelievable to me. This is big deal, practical vehicle, and finally you can have four-wheel drive system and not buying Subaru with that flawed engine. So I wanted really quickly share this with you. This is coming later. Just bring it up to your attention. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the different video. See ya!